And here you have the new Mi 9.
Yeah, I do.
So, is this cool?
Yeah, it's amazing.
What's special about this?
The screen's amazing. The price, obviously, for 449 is really aggressive. For a Full HD Plus display, 3 cameras at the back, ultra wide angle, 48 megapixel, and telephoto lens.
Is this the color you prefer? The black one?
Yeah, I'm really happy I got the piano one.
It was like random?
Yeah, so I think also Mi Explorer's got the black one.
The black one, yeah?
Yeah, it's really cool.
It's really powerful.
Yeah.
Snapdragon 855.
855, this one had 6 gigs of RAM, 128 of storage, plenty enough to be...
And that screen unlock is working?
Yeah, screen unlock, I have a screen protector on, and even with it, it just works.
But when did you put the screen
faster.
protector on? Just now?
Yesterday, when we got the phone.
And it's like a special screen protector for fingerprint unlock or what?
I actually got the same screen protector as my Mi Mix 3, which
So,
I have
same.
here.
Is it the same size?
It is the same size. I think it's the same display, they just did a cutout.
So this is the Mi Mix 3. It's,
Yeah.
How cool is that?
Yeah, it's really cool. I
you
think I
hold-
prefer the hand
Yeah.
experience of the Mi 9, because it's a lot lighter
Why?
and
Because it's thinner?
Yeah.
Because of that slide system, right?
Yeah.
Can we
It
see?
It can be a bit heavy at times.
So the slide that does the front-facing camera,
Yeah.
I think they could fit the front-facing camera down here and no need to
could.
slide.
But I think they wanted to avoid the rotating weird thing again.
I think rotating is fine. Don't you think rotating is fine?
Sliding's fine too.
Why didn't they have the camera in the bottom here? Because instead of the notch, you know?
Yeah,
That's what I
guess
think.
It's a controversial thing.
It's just-
it's more mainstream. People are used to the notch.
Yeah.
now.
I just think that maybe, what's it called? The camera can fit here, potentially.
Yeah, technologically, possibly could. Yeah.
So what else is cool here? Do you think the battery's long? Have you tried already in like just
we
one
have
day?
It's like for almost a day, so it's a bit short to say.
Can you put it max brightness?
Yeah.
All right. So it has a nice display. What is this? AMOLED?
AMOLED Full HD Plus display goes up to 600 nits in broad daylight. That's really nice. It's very dim too at night, so it's quite nice.
You don't have the 5G version of the Mi Mix 3, no?
No, not yet. Not yet.
Can we check
Maybe
that
in
a little bit
future.
more?
Yeah.
The Mi Mix 3? So isn't it a bigger battery in the Mi Mix 3?
The Mi Mix 3 is actually a smaller battery than the Mi 9, and I've been managing to have a day of use like really fast.
Are you in
really
full
easily.
brightness?
I
This
am
one?
not. So.
Yeah. Okay. So this is also like an AMOLED. Cool looking AMOLED.
Full HD Plus.
No notch. That's cool. That's a really nice big display. So basically, when people ask you what is the coolest phone, you say Xiaomi or?